How my dear student, once again welcome to our online classes. Student, in previous class we have discussed how plants are useful to us. Means whatever you are eating day to day life, maximum 90% we can say we are getting from our plants. So plants are useful. I told you we are eating fruits, vegetables and different other things also directly or indirectly we are getting from our plants. So today we are going to learn and another thing whatever we are getting from the plants also. Not only the fruits and vegetables, other thing also we are getting from the plant and we are eating our day to day life. So what are these things today we are going to discuss. So student, see carefully, look at the book carefully. Apart from the fruits and vegetables, we also get different grains and pulses from the plants. So I told you last class we are getting different types of fruits, apple, orange, mango, or vegetables, potato, brinjal, or other cauliflower. So all the things, vegetables and fruits we are getting from the plant that we are eating day to day life. But today what another things also is there. These are we are getting from the plant also. So these are the we also get different grains and pulses. It's very important. Not only the fruits and vegetables, we are also getting grains and pulses from the plant. And what are the grains and pulses? We will discuss first. We have to read the books. We eat grains means different types of wheat, rice and other things, oats, what we are eating day to day life. These are the grains. And pulses are black gram, green gram, so like etc. These are the pulses. We eat grains and pulses in some form or the other every day. We eat grains and pulses in some form or the other every day. Grains and pulses are grown as crops. Okay. So student, we are eating vegetables and fruits we can eat directly by after washing, and vegetables, some vegetables are there also we can eat after washing directly, but some of the vegetables also are there we cannot eat it directly, we have to boil it, we have to cook it. So similarly he is telling same thing. And some we are eating grains and pulses, there is some form, we have to first follow this form, means we have to follow the process, then we have to eat, we cannot eat directly. So we eat grains and pulses in the some form or other every day. We cannot directly, we cannot pluck the from the plant and we cannot the put in our mouth, but there is some form, there is some process we have to follow, after that we have to eat. Understood students? So crops are usually cultivated by the farmers in huge field and plantation. Crops are usually cultivated by the farmers in huge field and plantation. Crops means, I told you crops means different types of wheat, rice and oats and other bajra or any other things also, these are comes under crops. So they are cultivated, you might have seen, see the picture, there is a farmer and there is a different types of plants cultivated. Cultivated means there will plantation in a huge field, means if you have, there is a field in your home or any other area, you might have seen different types of field or where we can grow different types of crops, means we can cultivate different types of crops. Crops means we can cultivate a rice, we can cultivate a wheats, we can cultivate mustard, we can cultivate sugar cane. So these are the called cultivated, means we have to plantation a big area, in big area we have to plantation the many trees. All the crops don't grow throughout the year, we know every year all the crops, means same crop will not grow the whole year. Different types of crops are there according to their season, according to their climate, according to their weather condition, they will grow. Different crops are grown in different season. So he is telling different crops are grown in different season. So all the crops will not grow every day or every year or every season throughout the year, because they need a certain condition, weather condition, certain heat temperature. For that they will grow according to their season or weather condition. Every season the farmer plant and harvest new crops. And you might have seen, if you have village, when you will go to your village, you might have seen there are different types of crops in their field. Yes or no? Did you see? Very good. When you will go to your village, you might have seen different types of farmers, and they will grow different types of crops in their field. Someone will cultivated wheat, someone cultivated rice, and someone cultivated bajra, someone cultivated tur dal, someone cultivated sugarcane, someone cultivated groundnut. So you will see different types of crops, but you will not observe that they are the same crops at the all the crops they will grow at the same time. No, there is some certain season are there. Okay, different types of we know the 6 seasons are there for in a 1 year. So in this 1 year, there according to their season we have to cultivate different types of crops. Understood, student? So first of all he is telling plant not only giving the fruits and vegetables. First point is plants not only giving fruits and vegetables, we also get different grains, grains, grains and pulses. So student, I said plant not only giving fruits and vegetables, we also get different types of different grains and pulses. It is very important, grains and pulses. Now I will say what is grains. What are the comes under grains? Grains, it is a comes under wheat, rice, what we are eating regular life, oats, oats. You might have, if you might have your parents given to you to eat, you might have know the oats. These are the etc. These are comes under grains. Now what are the comes under pulses? Pulses means, student, black gram, BLSCK, black gram, green gram. So like this, black gram, green gram, where we will in black gram, with the help of black gram we can make vada. These are the called black gram. You might have seen different shopkeeper or in your home also. You can ask your parents, but I will show you what is grains and what is. So these are the grains. Wheat, rice, oats are called grains, and pulse, black gram and green gram, they all are comes under green gram, comes under pulses. So understood, student? So next point, what? We eat grains and pulses in some form. We eat grains and pulses some form. Okay, means process, some process are there, some process. Okay, or after process, some form or other. Next point, grains and pulses. Grains and pulses are grown as crops. That means he is telling, first we eat grains and pulses or some form. We cannot eat directly wheat and rice. You just go to your field. If you have field in your village, then many rice and many wheats plant are there. Directly can you eat? No, we cannot directly pluck the rice. We cannot directly pluck the wheat. We cannot eat the direct rice to our. We cannot put direct rice to our mouth, because there is some form. There is some form. Through the process we have to follow this process. After that it is available for eating. We can eat. Okay, so like this pulses also, black gram, green gram, we cannot eat directly. We will go to our field, then we will directly pluck, then we will eat. No, it is not a process. We cannot eat like this directly some grains and pulses directly. So there are some process we have to follow. Then after that we have to eat. Like this, you think there is some field and a rice field is there. You go to rice field, then take the rice from the plant, then eat. No, you cannot eat like this, and we should not eat also like this. There is some process we have to pile it, then there is some other process also. When you will go for in next I will tell you, or some other when you will go for a higher study, then you will come to the process, then we will eat. Okay, so like this wheat also directly we can eat, but sometimes wheat that we can eat directly, but you see wheat we have to make it grind, then we will get the atta. After that we can make chapati or something. Like this we will eat. So grain and pulses are grown as a crops. So now it's telling grains and pulses are grown as a crops. Crops means that grain or rice or wheat, these are the grains. We will say black gram or green gram, where we cultivated, that are as we will followed as considered as crops. Okay, see, these are called crops. Crops are cultivated. See the picture here, different types of plants are there. I think this is the, you think it is a rice field. Okay, this rice field we will say that is the crops. So grains and pulses are grown as a crops, because he is telling crops are usually cultivated by farmer in huge field or plantation. That means which things will cultivated in a huge amount in a big field, that is called crops. Example, rice, wheat, black gram, green gram will cultivated in a big area, that is we can consider as crops. Understood, students? Now we will check the book. You come. Can we eat all the crops directly? Just now I said very good. No, because we cannot eat all the crops directly. Some crops are there we can eat directly, but some other the crops are there like rice or wheat, we cannot eat directly. There is some process. First we have to cultivate it in the field, then we have to bring into our home. We have to go through the some processes there. After that we will get a rice. Okay, means without peel that rice will be there, that we can cook, then it is ready to eat. So like this, student, name 2 crops that are grown in winter and name 2 crops that are grown in summer. So student, before I said there are some, next point I will say you, crops are grown in different season. Crops are grown in different seasons. SEASON, seasons. There are 6 seasons are there. There are 6 seasons. There. Okay, 6 seasons are there. There are means winter, summer, autumn. So like this there are 6 seasons there. According to their climate, according to the weather condition, we will cultivate different types of crops in different seasons. For example, I will say you, See student, these all things you have to write down, you have to read the notes, whatever I written in here, you have to copy to your notebook and you have to read 2-3 times, you have to watch the video 2-3 times fully, then you have to read the books also. So first he is telling some crops are grown in winter season. WINTER, winter season. Okay, example, some crops are grown in winter season. See here, winter season. Winter season we know where we will get very cold in this time, and summer season also are there. So especially we will cultivate different types of crops and pulses in winter and summer season only, because in this season, winter season and summer season, we will get a good climate and good rainfall also and good temperature also to cultivate our different types of crops. So student, for example, what are the crops and pulses will grow in winter season? For example, wheat, mustard, peas, etc. So like this, some crops are that grown in winter season, that are wheat, mustard, peas, etc. And next point, understood, because in winter season this is the good temperature, good climate, good environment is there, for that wheat plant, mustard plant and peas plant can grow properly, be healthy. So like this, some crop are grown in summer season. Okay, for example, what are the things? You just think and tell me. Summer season means too much sun is there. In that sunny, which crops we can cultivate? Very good, rice. If you have village, then you go in summer season and winter season for holiday, as a holiday, and think what are the crops they are farmers cultivated in their field. Rice, cotton, yes or no, corn, groundnut, etc. Okay, so this is the another one is summer season, one is winter, another is summer season. Winter season, wheat, mustard, peas, these are cultivated very huge amount, but in summer season, in very hot season, hot time, rice, cotton, corn, groundnut, etc. they will cultivated. CORN, corn. Okay, groundnut, 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 rice, cotton. So these all are the crops we will cultivate it in the different season, especially winter and summer season, because in these two seasons the climate, good climate will get, good temperature will get, and good rainfall also will get, because we follow to cultivated we follow two seasons means winter and summer to cultivated different crops. We follow two seasons, that is winter and summer, to cultivate different crops, because at that time we get a good climate and rainfall. Okay, means why every farmers follow mainly two seasons, that is one is summer, another is winter. Why? Because in summer and winter season, once again I repeat, because you will get different proper climate, proper fast and climate and rainfall. We will get proper climate and rainfall, for which we can crop different types of crops in two seasons, because it is suitable for our crops. In summer season, I said you rice, cotton, corn, etc. Winter season, wheat, mustard, peas, etc. Okay, so like this student, we will crop, name the two crops that are grown in winter season. I already told you. Name the two crops that are grown in summer. I already discussed also. Birds and hens eat. So these crops, because you might have seen, if you will cultivate different types of grains, wheat, rice in our field, some birds will come and they will eat. What did you the little red hen find in her backyard? So later this we will discuss after reading the books. Next, some crops like cocoa, sugarcane, coffee, tea undergo various processes before we can use them. So before I said you, there is some process, some pulses and grains we have to follow. After that we will eat. So like these are the crops: sugarcane, coffee, tea undergo various processes before we can use them. And you might have seen your parents use coffee, tea and sugarcane. Also you will eat sugarcane juice in market. They will make juice and they will give. So there is, we cannot go to our field, we cannot pluck the sugarcane directly, we can eat, or we will go directly. If you will ask coffee to your parents, mommy give me coffee, your mommy will not go to direct field, or she will pluck the coffee, she will not give to you directly. So there is some process we have to follow, then we have to use it, we can use it. So like coffee, sugarcane, tea, these are the some crops we have, there is some process we have to follow. After that it is, we can use it. So first one I will say, can you just pluck the few tea leaves from the tea garden and directly make a cup of tea from these? Just now I said you, if you will ask, or your father will ask, you might have seen in your home when your father will ask to your mom, give me coffee or tea, your mom will not go to field, she will not pluck the directly coffee leaf or tea leaves from the ground or garden, she will not give to directly your dad. What she will do, in your kitchen room there is some box is there, inside that box coffee powder or tea powder is there, she used these are as a coffee and tea, and after that you will eat, you will drink. But what, so that I am telling, so we cannot go for directly for coffee or tea garden to make a coffee or tea. So there is some process, find out. So can we just pluck a few tea leaves from a tea garden and directly make a cup of tea from this? So we cannot pluck a coffee leaves, we cannot pluck a tea leaves, we cannot make it directly. So there is some process we have to follow. After that we will use for a coffee and tea. So find out how many machines tea leaves go through before they are finally ready for use. See student, here a picture is very clearly is given. You should see carefully. I am telling you. Here a woman is there. She is plucking the tea leaves and keeping it behind his back. And there is some process. First one you see here. There is some machines are there. We have to follow this process. After that, lastly, it is ready to use. We have to put here, another machine is there. After that we will go through this machine. After this machine we have to put these coffee leaves. After this coffee machine we have to put the coffee leaves here, this machine, arrow mark is given. And after this we have to follow this machine, we have to put, means these are the tea leaves here. And after this machine we have to go through this machine. Okay, means we have to lastly put these coffee leaves to this machine, then after that it is ready to pack, means teas are inside the packet. You might have, when you will go through the shopkeeper, if you will ask give me a tea packet, they will give 5 rupees or 10 rupees are there, inside tea is there. That means after processing they packed it, after that we can use it coffee or tea or other things. So understood students? So there is some process, or machine tea leaves go through before they are finally ready for use. So last student I am telling, sugarcane, cocoa, sugarcane, coffee and tea crops undergo various processes before we can use them. Okay, so means I said you cocoa, sugarcane, coffee and tea crops, different crops, these are the crops undergo various processes before we can use them. Just now I give example of tea. Teas, after there is the tea leaves will go through different various machines, after that it is ready to drink, means ready to make the tea, means it is inside the pocket. So like this student, other also are there. How will you eat sugarcane, how sugarcane will go to different various machines process. So these are the we will read next class. So today what we have discussed, just we will once again remind it. First of all we will say fruit plants are not only giving the fruits and vegetables, it is also giving grains and pulses, and different grains and pulses grown as crops. Crops are usually cultivated by farmer in huge field or plantation. Okay, just I said you grains and pulses grown in crops, and crops are cultivated farmers in huge field or plantation. So lastly I will tell you, and there is some different seasons also there. In this season we will cultivate different crops: wheat, mustard, cotton, corn, groundnut. So like this, and there also are there. We will follow especially two seasons. One is winter, another is summer. Winter wheat, mustard, peas, and some crops are grown in summer: rice, cotton, and corn, groundnut, etc. So we follow two seasons, winter and summer, to cultivate different crops, because at that time we get a good climate and rainfall. Cocoa and some crops are like cocoa, sugarcane, coffee and tea crops undergo various processes before we can use them. So lastly I will tell you last point. Crops are usually cultivated by farmers in a huge field. Huge means very big field. Okay, very big field. So it is very important. So I hope everybody clear. Are you understood, all of you? Very good. So student, now it's your time to read the books 2-3 times and watch the video fully, and write down whatever I written in this notebook. You have to copy to your notebook. I hope all of you clear about this. Next chapter we will go for how the other crops also go through different process. After that, how we are eating, how we are using it. So I hope all of you understood. So thank you very much. So patientfully to listen. So thank you student. Take care.